Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears at home with no sugar. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need unflavored gelatin, a sugar substitute like erythritol or stevia, and about 1 cup of your preferred fruit juice. Make sure your silicone molds are clean and ready. A small saucepan and whisk will help you combine everything perfectly for a smooth, delicious treat. Now, let's get mixing. First, bloom 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold fruit juice for about 5 minutes. This softens the gelatin. Next, gently heat the remaining 3/4 cup of juice in a saucepan with your chosen sugar substitute. Stir continuously until the sugar substitute completely dissolves, ensuring a smooth, clear base for your gummies. It's time to bring it all together. Add the bloomed gelatin directly into your warm juice and sugar substitute mixture. Stir gently until the gelatin is completely dissolved and the liquid is smooth. Now, carefully pour this warm gummy liquid into your silicone bear molds. A small dropper can be very helpful for precise filling, ensuring each little bear is perfectly formed without any spills. Almost done, place your filled molds into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until the gummies are completely firm. Once set, carefully pop your adorable sugar-free gummy bears out of their molds. They should release easily. Store your delicious homemade treats in an airtight container in the fridge for a few days, ready to enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.